BVI Boat Show, day 3, and we're going to start our day on this beautiful Lagoon 560 ebb and flow, and the lovely Captain Taylor has met us on board.
Welcome aboard ebb and flow. Margaret's inside, preparing a little bit of food. I'm out here. Let me know if you have any questions, Michelle. Happy to show you around.
Thank you. Let's go ahead and, oh, this is the lovely Chef Margaret. Thank you.
Come on in.
Do you want to start with the fly bridge?
Yeah,
Okay,
let's
so
do
let's
the
go.
fly bridge.
A great feature of the Lagoon 560 is the spacious cockpit, a lounging area, and a huge, people really like to veg out on these back.
That looks really
Yeah,
comfortable.
super. Oh, hold on. I'll make sure. Super comfortable.
It's
Okay.
comfy.
Yeah,
It's
we'd really
comfy.
like that. So we'll take you upstairs. As far as we're concerned, you don't get a boat without a fly bridge, and 99% of boats do. It creates a whole third level of a boat. And look at this incredible view. So they've got a table, they've got a wine, actually have a wine chiller up here, Hannah. Look at that.
Ooh,
Yeah.
lovely.
So one of the features of the fly bridge on all these boats is you can feel the breeze. I don't know if you can see it in my hair, but it's breezy up here. So even when you're sailing, a lot of people say, am I going to feel claustrophobic on a boat? If I book it, am I going to get seasick? So with the invention of this fly bridge, probably 10, 12 years ago, that's not a concern anymore. So when you're sailing, you're just sitting lounging in these lovely loungers. And the captain and chef can sail from here. And then we can look at, we can actually step up here and look at the trampolines and the forward seating area as long as we're up here. Killer.
Nice sun pads down here too. Nice seating area.
Oh, diving. This boat offers diving for certified divers. You'll see the tanks, paddleboard. That's a good feature. Oh, there's a paddleboard on the other side too, Hannah.
There we go. Well, that's a nice long paddleboard there. Water skis.
Lots of areas on the boat for people to be able to be together, but yet be separate. Awesome. The lovely Colibri next door. Get a different angle of some boats.
There we go.
Is anybody on there for questions? Not that we know how to look, right?
There's two people watching.
Okay,
Hi.
hi. So we'll head inside if anybody has anything they want to ask.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah.
So let's show the king cabin first.
Yeah.
So normally Lagoon 560s do not have king cabins. This boat, they have custom fit a king cabin, which is amazing. So many people want a king. So I'll let
I'll
Hannah
go
lead
down.
with the camera.
There we go. And you had new carpet put in, right? Did you have new carpet? It looks new. Did you have new carpet?
Yep.
Yep.
New
So new carpet, which looks nice and plush. Look at this bed.
Tag along if you have any questions for me.
Lovely big bed.
Hannah, that bed is huge.
It is huge. I won't lie on it though because I don't want to mess it up. I'd love to because it looks really comfy.
It's so nice and cool down here.
Nice and cool. AC's on really high. Oh, I think there's a memory foam foam
Check
mattress.
this out. I'm going to close this so you can show them the
Oh,
privacy.
and then look,
It's a pod.
it's your private door out to the deck. So lots of storage. Desk. And then the bathroom. Morning. Nice shower. Let's have a look. Oh, ebb and flow. There we go. Beautiful. Nice seat in there as well. And they supply all the nice conditioners, shampoo. Nice little touch there. Nice towels. Really nice. Oh, it's so nice and cool down here. Really nice.
So this is
Let's go back
one
out.
of 3 cabins. So this is 1 king, and we'll go see the other 2 queens. Keep their AC in, Hannah.
Yep, that's important here. So hot at the moment. Right, let's
So,
go
yeah,
in.
Let's come in the saloon.
Ooh, look at these treats.
Ooh, look at those treats.
Ooh.
I heard about these treats yesterday.
Yum.
Explanations for it?
Do you want? Yeah.
Yeah, go on then.
Yeah,
Go for
always
it.
take- Yeah.
Thank you.
Things to like re-energize. So this one right here is a chocolate chia energy orb, and one's coated in fresh coconut flakes. And then I have, this is kind of like a vegan-based one. It has a cashew cream as the base. It's on a gluten-free herb bread. And then blood orange for a pop of color and some sweetness.
Wow.
And then honey pistachios on top.
Nice.
And then this is an inspired one. I normally do a wahoo crudo, but this again is another vegan twist on one. I did persimmon as kind of like the
Oh,
meat
interesting.
as a fish. I was
Okay.
thinking like I really wanted to showcase, you know, ceviche or crudo, but that's not appropriate to like lay out all
No,
day,
not at all.
Right?
That would be a bit smelly by the end of the day.
Exactly. But then I was just going with the vegan flow of things, and I found persimmon, and I put ginger in there, pickled ginger. So it's very, you know, sweet and spicy with the radish and the jalapeno pepper in there too.
So if anybody is into
What?
clean eating, vegan eating, vegetarian, this is
Yeah.
the boat for you.
Yeah.
Clearly, Margaret enjoys cooking like that. Some chefs steer away from
Okay.
that, but clearly, Margaret.
JD Spangler, who's just asked what boat name this is. It's called Ebb and Flow. Ebb and Flow.
Hi, JD Spangler. Yay. Yo, it's our first question, I think.
Yeah.
Last year we took home 2 vegan awards. I had best entree, second place, and then best dessert for first place.
Awesome.
Award-winning boat. There we go.
An award-winning chef.
I'd
Yeah.
love to share my recipes. So these are actually the award-winning recipes from last year.
Oh,
And this can be
perfect.
found on our website. But I'm also going to do some newsletters with this too.
Okay.
And maybe we could do boat of the
Perfect.
week for them in a couple weeks.
Yeah, let's do
Great.
that.
Some
Yeah,
honor.
look out for Boat of the Week on
Thank you.
our socials.
Oh, I'm so excited about our first question. Yay. You get a prize. No, just
Free charter. No.
Free charter. Okay, so we're going to
Okay.
go look at the other 2 queens.
Okay.
We call it the Master Suite and then the Queen Suite.
I like this
Okay.
coffee machine.
Oh,
Bean
that's-
to cup? Is it bean to cup? Yeah.
absolutely.
Coffee is important in the morning.
Cappuccinos as well.
Oh,
So there's
lovely.
a milk frother that goes.
Oh, I love a milk froth. Okay, let's go down here. Ooh, look at this.
Just kidding. Okay, so the Lagoon 560 also, like the 620, has an incredible platform as a master. So you've got the master, you can also step out right onto the swim platform. They might have it locked. Oh, there we go. So Hannah can take a couple steps
let's
up.
go
You
up.
could come out of your cabin in the morning and you could just jump into the water.
Yep, that chair won't be here, but yeah. Down there, step straight into the water.
Oh, I like that.
That is a good feature.
I mean, it's pretty easy to figure out that we really like the Lagoon 560s
Yeah.
for charter. And this Lagoon 560 has a lot of the dark maple woodwork in it, making her look more like a Sunreef or a Fontaine Pajot also instead of the light wood. Big master.
Yeah, this is nice. New carpet again that they've had put in.
Lots of some people ask about storage.
Oh,
So
yeah,
let's look
let's
at the
open a
storage.
cupboard.
Yep.
There we go.
Big storage. And also, this cabin has a separate toilet. So, it's here. Let me get out of the way.
There we go. Let's have a look.
Separate toilet, which is nice.
There we
It's
are.
separate from the shower, which is over here.
Shower over there. Nice TV.
So we'll go into
Perfect.
the third queen, which is forward.
There we are. Again, memory foam.
And I'm really impressed by the carpet. I mean, the
Yeah,
carpet's
the carpet
brand
looks
new.
brand new.
Yeah.
It's really nice on your feet.
I think this
Very
is
nice.
probably one of the nicest Lagoon 560s.
Yeah.
I mean, look at the
wood.
shine of the wood.
Yeah.
There's
Still,
storage in
still in
here.
really good condition.
Yeah. And for people who are worried at all about feeling claustrophobic in your cabin, I mean, you can see the light. This is
Yeah. It's very light area. Big window.
definitely not dark.
Definitely not dark.
Oh, look, they have ebb and flow on their shower.
I know, I noticed that
that's so cute.
downstairs. There we go. And again, the shower. It's got a little seat in
And
there.
this is a dry head, in case anybody's wondering. The shower is separate from the toilet, even though it's not in a separate compartment. But it is a dry head.
Yeah.
It's cold in here.
Yeah,
Yay,
it's
so
lovely
you see
because
that
it's
ebb and
so
flow,
hot in the
yes.
BVI at the moment. So hot.
Good.
Nice.
Also, nice wide staircase for anybody with mobility issues.
Yep.
And the chef has a galley up. Look at the view. I mean, imagine cooking with this view.
Why, thank you. I love it too. People can stand here and join. I do cooking classes.
Oh, cooking classes. she
Oh,
said.
you can do cooking classes on
I make
charter.
pasta every week. I have a pasta machine.
Homemade
I want homemade
pasta.
pasta.
Ooh.
Yeah, so we can choose our flavors.
Amazing.
We're gonna put in there what we want to do with the sauce. So there's plenty of room for people to join.
Oh, amazing.
And I have lots of fridge space. I have a fridge here, 2 downstairs, 2 freezers, and then a fridge downstairs too. So
Oh,
we get
amazing.
pretty cool and ebb and flow.
And Ebb and Flow does have a second crew. They rotate, so
Oh,
they
yeah.
are here, Missy and Travis. Missy and Travis have also been in the charter world for a long time on private boats, which we love.
Yep.
They are big time into diving. So if anybody wants a diving charter, especially, not that Taylor and Margaret don't dive, but also Missy and Travis dive.
Okay.
Yeah, Travis and Missy, 30 years as dive professionals, actually owned and ran a dive shop prior to getting into chartering. So we include
Perfect.
instruction if you're a first-time diver.
Oh.
Resort courses, Discover Scuba are included in the charter rate, either with Travis and Missy or with Margaret and I. We can do that.
We like that.
We do
That's
like
good.
that.
That's good.
Do you
Great.
have any other questions,
Thanks,
Sarah?
guys.
I'm glad you're behind there because I would need my reading glasses to read
So
the
this
questions.
table opens out, correct? So you can
yeah.
make that into a larger table.
That one opens larger, and actually that one folds down in half. So if we have a small, like
okay.
2.5, like for morning kind of coffee
Nice.
and bites, it's
Yeah.
easier to lounge around.
Yeah,
So
nice.
this will make a great 3-couple charter. This is also a great family boat charter.
Yeah.
Kids will do really well on this boat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So yay, thanks for being boat number 1 of day
3.
Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for
Oh,
stopping by,
what's
running
the
by.
question
Oh,
for
question.
you? What's the chef's favorite thing to cook? From Hannah at Funky Chef Company.
Ah!
Hey, Hannah! Hey,
That's a difficult question. And I can't just answer popcorn because it's one of my favorites. But we do popcorn like afternoons, and we have like different kind of salts and seasonings, and everyone would
Oh,
actually love it
nice.
as a great snack. One of my favorite things to cook though is the pasta with everyone.
Okay,
You know,
that's a
really-
nice
yeah.
like group thing to
We
do.
do. We get really creative with it. It can be really tailored. It can do gluten free. You know, it's just really fun to get involved with the sauces too.
Okay.
But you might
Perfect.
have an answer as well. I'm gonna put you on the
What is the
spot.
best thing
Do you like to
guys
cook?
Well, you know, they're all good. There's a mango lime beurre blanc sauce. She
Oh.
does with fresh local cut mahi.
Oh, you like
Quick, whip it up.
Yeah, one of the beauties of down here is there's tons of fresh seafood.
Oh,
we always
yeah,
try to incorporate
yeah.
fresh ingredients, and fresh local mahi is always a staple on our charters.
Mahi, love
Mango
mahi.
lime
And that's,
blanc.
you're super comfortable. Any dietary restrictions. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks, Hannah.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Hannah.
Hannah. For chef shirts. Have you seen them? I think Christiane's wearing one. They're awesome.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and Katie on Wanderlust as well. So yeah.
Hi, Anna. Thanks, guys.
Cool.
Thank you for having us. So
Okay,
we will-
thank you so much.
We'll see you on
Okay.
Ebb and Flow.
Okay, cool. All right. Thank you, Michelle.